What's the meaning of capability? Capability. Capability.
Capability. Capability. Capability refers to the ability or power someone or something possesses to do a particular task or achieve a certain goal. It can refer to physical or mental abilities, skills, resources, or even technology. The term is often used in the context of assessing an individual's or an organization's capacity to undertake a specific activity. A high level of capability is desirable as it can increase efficiency, effectiveness, and competitiveness. Ultimately, capability enables individuals and organizations to achieve their objectives and fulfill their potential.